you know, your massage, all your clients about to be in a real good mood. They're not about to be like, so my bad in advance.
It's a difference being on the other side of the table.
The injuries are so different because they're physical functional injuries. They kind of remind me of like people who play football. So what do you think about chiropractic care overall? Would you recommend it for your clients?
I always recommend an adjustment, chiropractic adjustment to all my clients. The benefits of it is, as a massage therapist, we deal with the muscles. Chiropractic services deals with the bones, and they both work together. You can't leave out the water.
Oh yeah, you better drink.
Gotta drink lots of water. I'm here.
Yeah, so we have massage therapy here at Body Life Chiropractic too. So, hey, appreciate you, brother. Thank you,
Yes, sir. Thank you.